morning, y'all. Another day on the AT. I slept pretty good last night. It was still a little cool. It was like 40 something, I think, 40 degrees. But I also heard coyotes last night, so that was different. I thought there was a dog at the shelter, but they were coyotes and they were going, ow! So I have no idea. I think there's a waterfall today. I don't know. I haven't really looked at my map yet, but I'm excited. I hope we see more ponies today. You think they're out somewhere? How do ponies sleep? Do they sleep standing up? It off. Look at this lunch spot. We just stopped for lunch and we found some ramps along the way and we're gonna put them in our ramen, but I gotta rinse them off in this cute stream. Delicious. Okay, so did you do that on purpose?
Yeah. I was afraid to admit it.
You said. Okay, so we were sitting here at these picnic tables eating lunch, and this lady pulls up and she's like, "Are you hikers?" And it's Trail Magic. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Bananas?
Oh, chips.
Wow. Gatorade.
Okay.
Wow, look at this. So there's a waterfall today, and I think, ooh, there's
frogs.
There's frogs in there?
No, water bubbles.
Hanging out. There goes Busted. Is he gonna bust it? We're about to walk out into a meadow and there are potentially cows. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is amazing. The trees are blooming. Wow. Apparently, so there was a comment on Far Out, which is the app that we all use for maps and stuff, and there's this church that does breakfast on Saturdays, and we see tents. That's a bus. It's a school bus. Ooh. Trail. Wow. Look at that. Wow. This is so cool. Look at this.
This I won. Where's this for?
Right there.
Right there.
That's a cool bus. Look at this shelter. Oh my gosh. Looks like a house. Okay, so this is a shower. It hasn't been working in years. Partnership shelter. That's where you can order the pizza, right? So you can order pizza up to, what is this, like there's a visitor center up here, right? And there's a phone. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, so you can order the pizza there and then just go over and grab it and then come back to the shelter. That's a unique shelter for sure. Oh, and there's a dumpster for trash too. Nice. Okay, so 4 hikers in a room, and this is when you know it's hiker trash. Tents. This is downtown Marion. Oh look, AT hiker supplies.
I love Army Navy stores.
They are pretty cool. Oh look.
That one looks crazy.
Oh my gosh, I love those big teddy bears. We are in downtown Marion. The guy that was working at Marion the proprietor, the owner of Marion Outdoors, came to pick us up. His name is Coach, right? Coach? Coach. Oh, this looks cool. Sisters Cafe and Gifts. Hiker trash welcome. That's us. We're living that dream.